Welcome to our video on how to create your first report, where you will learn how to choose a template and theme, add some data, add a visualization, do some sorting, set properties, and add a crosstab. To create a report, click the New icon and select Report. On the Templates tab, select 2 rows. Then click the Themes tab, select Blue, and click OK. To add data, click the plus icon and select Team Content, Samples, Data, Banking Loss Events, and click Open. This data is from a previously uploaded file. At the top of the report, double-click the report title placeholder, enter the title, and click OK. To add a visualization to the report, click the first plus icon and select Visualization. Click the Line checkbox, select Line with Palette and Theme, and click OK, and OK again. To populate the visualization with data from the Data panel, open the tree and double-click Net Loss, which will put it into size by default. Double-click Year to put it into categories, and double-click Region to put it into series. To sort the years from lowest to highest, click the word Year in the visualization, then click Sort in the context menu and select Ascending. To size the line visualization, click on the visualization to select it, open the properties, and set width to 900 and height to 200. Above the line visualization, double-click the title placeholder, enter the title, and click OK. To add a crosstab to the report, click the plus icon in the bottom row and select Crosstab. In the resulting dialog, accept the defaults by clicking OK. Go to the Data panel and populate the crosstab with data. Double-click Risk category, which will put it into rows by default. Double-click Year to put it into columns, and double-click Net Loss to put it into measures. In the crosstab, click Risk category, click Sort in the context menu, and select Ascending. Click Year, click Sort in the context menu, and select Ascending. With Year still selected, click Right in the context menu. To size the crosstab, select it and set the Size and Overflow Property Width property to 90%. And click OK. Above the new crosstab, double-click the title placeholder, enter the title, and click OK. To preview the report, click Run Options and select Run HTML. Congratulations! You have learned how to create your first report. You can save the report into My Content and open it up again later. Thank you for watching this video on how to create your first report. Please comment on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about using IBM Cognos Analytics 11.